Welcome to Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us grow. And for breaking news, please visit our website www.ngobo2010shopi.co.za. Tada. This is Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. We are here at FNB Stadium. Kaizer Chiefs 0, Golden Arrows 1. My brother, how are you, sir?
Ngiyaphila baba kunjani?
Ngiyaphila ubayigama ubuya ku
Uthepa ngamasela ngibuye underback eKZN.
Nazoko
Arrows yangasekhane.
Nazoko
And yazi kwenzakalane. Iphelile Chiefs.
Sho kanje.
Yeah, iphelile Chiefs and mangaba isasiqashela abocoach abanje like imshayile timing ucoach weChiefs and masingaphika nama content creators for iKaizer Chiefs sizophela into. Next week sidlala neSundowns.
Yeah.
NgiKaizer Chiefs since ngazalwa ngenzani like ucoach imshayile itiming uwinile last week. Une team ekwinele igame last week. Uyishintshela. Uyishintshela ini. Lo muntu asingwa asimazi and ubuya namabhola uwadlala uwayisa la engafuni kuya khona unoduba omazi ukuthi mayibuya engena second half ukwenzela umdlalo uyakudlalela ukudlalela ngendlela right umisapha unqobo unaba player owasayinile amasha unomiguel ongakaza kuphela lutho for isizini esithathu lokho uMiguel still usazodlala ngoMiguel asike nama content creator labantu laba bafuna ama followers bafuna ini support iChiefs thina stand iChiefs yes it's not a political party labantu laba bathanda ukufaka izigqoko ukuthi babhaliwe ukuthi bawobani bazolandelwa bathini mathini thina support iChiefs stand iChiefs and kubhlungu ukuthina iChiefs manje ayikho lento edlala iChiefs and ukucoach namhlanje uyazi ukuthi unoduba ongena mayingena ngesecond half uzokudlalela kwenzela igame ibe yiyona siyodlala neSundowns next week uzodlalisa unqobo ivila ekudala unqobo ukhulela kuChiefs and akuna nix inkosi ngiphile ngoba zoyiphi Chiefs ongasekhaya eKZN akuna nix inkosi ngiphile ngoba zoyiphi Chiefs never nalabadlali laba abanye laba abo Miguel kahle so sizodlalisa izini yonke ngoMiguel lokunika umola isane bomisa kuphi
uzombeka ebenchini
yes bomisa kuphi unovilakazi ushawa ijaqamba phambi kwakho
exactly
then umuyisa kuphi uzokwenzani ngaye sidlala neSundowns like bafethu hayi kana
no asibanikeze ithuba maybe something will come up ngomhla ka12
sibene lucky sawini Nedbank saba ne lucky sawini Nedbank but kuphelile ngeChiefs hle
you need luck to win but akunankinga ngiyakubona ukhathazekile and abantu abanjengawo sibafuna abakhuluma iqiniso yabona
inika ama content creator lawa yes inika ama content creator lawa because ayona sibukulalela iChiefs lama content creator
remember omunye nomunye unelungelo lokukhuluma into afuna ukuyikhuluma ngeze semstop bazokhuluma
sithanda like siyadliwa and sisazodliwa next weekend sidlala neSundowns sisazodliwa because ayikho lento esidlalayo
siyabonga bhuti hard luck
thank you bhuti
ayithanda shosho